Hello guys, and welcome to Doza Digitals. All right, so this particular project that we're looking at has been around for a year plus. I mean, it's not a new project, it's not a new alpha, but I was skeptical about doing a video on it. But looking at what Pi has done, Pi has really done a lot for so many people, and that is why I thought it wise to create this video on CoinSavi. All right, and just show you the advantage of mining this particular project. Okay, so CoinSavi is a trusted exchange that is designed for your CoinSavi journey. All right, so basically CoinSavi is a centralized exchange, a SEX, just like we have Binance, OKS, Bitget, Mexi, Gate.io, you know, all of the crypto exchanges that we have, right? So CoinSavi falls also within the same category of exchanges. Now, the mining rate of CoinSavi is extremely slow, and from all indications that we are getting is that CoinSavi is going to be launching at $2. All right, the project is going to be launching at $2. So imagine a situation where you are able to accumulate at least 1,000 CoinSavi token for yourself. That's 1,000 Savi token for yourself. All right, that will be 1,000 times $2. It'll be about $2, right? And go and check all of the native tokens of exchanges. Look at what BNB is doing for Binance Exchange. Look at what OKB for OKS, BTB for Bitget, and all other exchanges that have their native token. You can see what those native tokens are actually doing in the cryptocurrency space, right? And for one, I don't joke with native tokens, right? In my crypto portfolio, in my crypto holdings, I'm holding more of native tokens. So I'm just going to show you basically what you need to do to position for CoinSavi. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go straight down to the description of this video. There's a link and there's also a code. All right, now the benefit of using the link, because indirectly I have some kind of affiliation with the CoinSavi team. So what that means is that for using my own link, you get a bonus. All right, so the link is in the description, and also the code, all right, is also in the description. So in the description where you use the link and they now prompt you to add a code, you can come back to the description and copy the code, right? Now you can see they've done a whole lot of upgrade in the interface, right? You can see that I am currently on the senior rank level, and I started as a pioneer. That means from day one, when the project went live, was when I started, right? There are a lot of persons who have been able to use their community to get more people into the picture. Now, by the time you click on this part there, you can see it says here, you will unlock newbie benefits from 30/03/2025. So I'm going to be getting some benefits, right? I'm going to be getting some benefits because I am a pioneer of this particular project. So if you see, it says an all pioneer benefits. You can see senior benefits. It says early access to new SAVI unlock info, and that means I'll be the first to know about unlock requirements. Tier mining interface, special mining interface for you. I already have my special mining interface. Priority information, be the first to try out our new features. You can see those are the benefits that are currently available to me because of the fact that I started early. All right, now you can see basically how do you mine. You can see this part here that says mining. All right, every 4 hours, right, you come to this interface and you click on mine. You can only mine twice in a day. You can see this part here that we have sessions, right? When you click on the sessions, ideally I'm supposed to have 3 sessions. The first one is for KYC level 1 unlock. I've already unlocked that session. The next one is that I have to trade above $100. I have not traded up to $100. So if I traded up to $100, then I'm going to have +1 extra session. Then the other one is KYC level 2, right? I've done my KYC level 2. So what that means is that it gives me 2 extra sessions. So, and you can see the CoinSavi mining session power 0.08, right? That is just the way it is. So you can actually do some tags here under this section where we have boost mining. You can see this part where we have boost mining. You can do some tags, right? You do some tags. You can see that I have done some tags here, completed, and I've been able to use that to level up my mining speed, right? Maybe I can decide to add some money into it. This one says complete a swing transaction with volume, capital plus leverage greater than $10. So maybe I might have to deposit $10 into this so that I can get this extra 150 SAVI, or you can choose to refer your friends, right? So when you refer your friends, you also get more SAVI tokens. So when you refer 20 friends, you get plus 200. When you refer 10 friends, you get plus 150. 3 friends plus 45. 5 friends, you get plus 60, right? So that is also another opportunity for you to quickly level up as fast as possible, right? You can even level up far more quicker than someone who has been mining CoinSavi for over a year like me. Imagine that you are able to refer your community to this particular project, and your community come up so strong, you get 20 persons. I mean, you automatically overshadow me in terms of ranking, and also in terms of SAVI balance, because in my balance I have just 105, right? So there's also the referral part, like I had mentioned. I have 5 referrals, but of all of the 5 referrals, only one of them has gone through the KYC level 2. The others have suddenly gone ghost on the project because it has taken too long, and they don't believe that anything is going to come out from it. But I want to assure you that if you continue mining this particular CoinSavi project, you are going to be proud of yourself eventually. Now there's the boost mining speed, I've talked about that. There's also the trade game. So usually you get tickets each time you check in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on add tickets. For this one, it allows me to be able to play some games, right? So I'm going to click on this one. It says, do you want to use 0.0003 SAVI to exchange? I'm not going to do that, all right? So I can actually choose to watch an ad, but because of this video, I will not be watching an ad for this. So I'll just click on this other part that says play now, all right? So when I click on play now, there's the buy and there's the long. It says you are in the swing demo trade game mode, all right? So what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to click on execute and what buy, all right? So I'm going to click on this, confirm. Let's see, I have already placed the trade. So in 1 minute, this trade is going to close, and it is going to show if I'll be in profit or I'll be in a loss. Now I'm not using my SAVI balance to trade this, all right? Now the beauty of this is that when you trade swing trades, you get the opportunity to boost your mining rate. Now you can see on P&L, on profit and loss USDS, I have 0 plus at the moment. So in the next 33 seconds, we're going to be done with this particular swing trade. Now there's the mainnet part. So okay, you can see the mainnet part. It says you are in the queue. We will notify you when you are eligible to be added to the mainnet checklist. So I'll click on go. Now I'll come back to this trade. I'll come back to this trade here, game, and see the game that I played. You can see this part here. I just want to see my portfolio. You can see my portfolio here is running just 1 second and it is closing. Let's see if this closes in the profit. So you can see it closed in profit, and I have earned 0.04 SAVI. All right. So that's basically how you can boost your mining rates, but it is only one-off. You can only use that particular swing trade one-off, I mean, for the boost aspect, right? So guys, CoinSavi is also an exchange platform, like I mentioned. You can see there are different there are different cryptocurrencies that you can actually buy and trade. And not only that, so there's a market where you can actually do swing trading, just like what we call futures trading. You can do that. You can also see new listings, all right? And you can also do your spot trading. I mean, spot trading happens to be like this easiest and the most safest trading part. Then you can also see the trade section, like I mentioned, where you can buy and sell. You can buy under market order or whatever you like, right? Then there's also the wallet aspect too. The wallet aspect, I mean, almost all exchange has a Web3 wallet, right? So this wallet aspect is where you get to see the assets that you deposit into this particular wallet. Okay, now there's this part here where we also have the reward. You can see this reward part here is just showing us different activities that are ongoing, and you can choose to join. So it said invite at least 10 referees to sign up and complete. So if I refer 10 people, I'm going to be able to participate in this particular reward system. But currently I've not done that. So there's also the lucky draw. The lucky draw, I think that it's currently ongoing. It says for you to participate in the lucky draw, you have earned 8.165 SAVI in last month. Total user snapshot is going to be taken on the 7th of March. Calculation period and all of that. So for this, I know for a fact that I am going to qualify for this particular one. So guys, this is basically all about the CoinSavi token that you need to know. I don't want to go into too many details. So if you have questions, you can drop in the comments or in the chat. I'm going to respond to every one of them. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. That'll be all for now, guys. See you on the side that prints. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.